Hello friends, and welcome to BujoHelpline. I'm Sophie, and today I have another unboxing for you. Hooray! I'll be reviewing this Moleskine Classic Expanded hardcover notebook, which has 400 pages by these criteria, and I'll also show you a pen test. So I bought this for my husband because I'm going to basically make a physical CRM or client record book for his new sales job. This is the notebook I bought to go with it to be the planner, but I figured he would want a few more pages because he's going to have a lot of clients. And so I just want to show you the size difference. This has 400 pages, which I love. And, you know, penny for scale. There you go. I already bought one of these a while ago because I'm going to be using it as my bullet journal next year, as you can see. I've already done a pen test and I'm going to show that to you as well. So let's open this. I just want to say that this came in a box with 2 other planners, or notebooks I guess, and so I didn't get to do an unboxing for you, but I get to do an unwrapping, I guess. As you can see, this is the squared notebook. It has 400 pages. And it says that it is 70 GSM. Moleskine is excited about this apparently because this is reusable packaging that you can, you know, put in there, I guess. Transport, countries. I don't think I'm gonna use it. The pages are nice. The grid is light, which I do like, and the pages are really soft. They're a little thinner than I usually like to have. Like this is 5 inches, no wait. That's a shorter one. This is 5 inches by 8.25 inches, I believe, which is, yeah, it's a little bit small, but I think this is the regular Moleskine size. There are no page numbers, so there's that. And the page color is pretty creamy. For the cover, I really like how it feels. It feels soft and durable, not like cloth, but also not, it doesn't like stick to your fingers as you do this. So I really like the cover. However, this one right now, the 400 page one, only comes in black right now, which I wasn't that excited about. I was hoping that I'd be able to get one to match my husband's planner, but this one will do. I bought this on Amazon and the cost was $24.07 USD, which is a little pricey for notebooks, but I guess not really for Moleskine. And this has, again, 400 pages, which is really exciting. However, Moleskine's pages with the classic ones are 70 GSM, so right now I'm going to show you the pen test that I did in this notebook. I did a pretty extensive pen test here, including 3 types of highlighters, some different markers, some fine liners, some inks. I have some watercolor here, and I wasn't that excited. As you can see all of these through this page. There's bleeding and quite a few of them, including the Micron pen, the Pentel Touch, the highlighters, some with the Tombow like at the bottom there, a few of the fine liners, some of the inks. This is 400 pages, but with this, I have to deal with these pages for 400 pages. So this could take me a year to go through, and I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. By the way, I numbered these ones myself. I do want to say one thing about the paper quality though. After you fill it out, since I have some experience with this one already, I do like the way it feels and the way it sounds. Look at that nice crinkle. I really like that, even though this paper is a bit thin. It just, you can feel, I don't know, it just feels cool. Aside from the paper quality, here are some other qualities here. We have an expandable pocket in the back, which comes with this little cute little Moleskine thing with a little sticker. Hooray! Quality control. It has 2 bookmarks, which they look pretty quality. I do want to compare this. So this notebook, you know, you would think it's the same. The bookmarks look basically the same, right? But this one, it's fraying a bit and it's not like glued down or heated to seal at the end. And so I tried to do it myself. I used a lighter and it just changed color and didn't stop fraying. So I'm gonna have to use hot glue. This is the regular one. Again, this is the one I'm talking about today, not the regular one, but just wanted to throw that in there. It does not have perforated pages in the back. Yay! As you may have seen in my other videos, I do not like perforated pages in the back. Real quick, I'm gonna break this in. And it basically lays flat. Fantastic. The binding is fine. Sometimes when you do that, it'll show a crease, but this one looks okay. So, final thoughts. It's a bit pricey for the thin paper, but it has 400 pages. Also, it only comes in black right now, which is a little sad. So overall, including all of those things, including the price, I would say that this is a 7 out of 10. The jury is still out. I'm still going to use it next year, and I will report back with whether or not I think it's a good thing to buy. So I'd like to know, which is more valuable to you, page count or paper quality? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. It would help grow this channel if you'd give this video a like, comment any planner questions or difficulties I can help answer below, and subscribe so you can get more planner inspiration from my planner adventures. See you later!